Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. Today I will show you how to do 3D animation map with using After Effects. So the output should be approximately like this. Alright, so let's start it. First, we open the After Effects software, and then we create a new composition 1280,720. Okay, this is the size. Alright, I click OK. Bear in mind that in this tutorial, we need to use After Effects plugin Particular. Alright, okay, now I create a new solid layer. Okay, welcome size. Alright, okay, and then we go to Effects and Preset. We search for Particular Effects. Trapcode Particular, drag to this layer. Alright, okay, and then we create a new light. Call this emitter, alright, and then the spot. Okay, alright, this one I will rename it to emitter light setting. Or okay, emitter light setting. Alright, so in this particular setting, we choose the light naming, we change to emitter. Okay, then we want to create a keyframe animation first. So position, okay, is alright. Set start keyframe and then go to 2 seconds. Then it moves like this. Okay, right, and then highlight the two keyframes and then select right click or double click and then go to keyframe interpolation, set Bezier for temporal interpolation and spatial also Bezier. Okay, and then we curve it, the animation. Something like this. Okay, alright, and then this one, from emitter type we change to light, so you will grab the emitter light from the light naming that we choose here. So when we try to preview, okay, we have the particular setting, particular effect already, but we don't want the effects to be like scatter like this one. So what we can do is all this we set to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Okay, to make it more smooth, the shape of the curve animation here, we increase the particles from 100 maybe to 500. Okay, so we have smooth shape effects here. Alright, then we create a new camera. We choose preset 50mm, then click OK. Alright. Then one more, we will import this vector map to the AE to the After Effects platform. Okay. So go to project here. I want to import this one, right dots. Okay. Okay, bring it to the stage. Okay, we have this one. So we take 3D effect here, and you can see there's a slight shadow at the edge of the map. So we don't want to have this shadow, so we create a new light. The light type change to ambient, right? So for this one, the transform, for the orientation, we increase it. Alright, make sure the active camera here you change to front. Okay, until we get flat view of the map. So 270. Okay. Alright, and then we go back to the ambient, to the emitter light here. Okay, so we want the movement to be just on top of the map. So we change the y-axis and the x-axis, or perhaps the z-axis. Observe carefully the line of the map that we rotate to 270 degrees. Okay, and then we go to top view. Alright, maybe we want to expand. We want to start the animation from this region. And drag it at the end point of the animation. I want to set to my homeland, Malaysia. So my country locate here. Okay, approximately location like that. Alright, then we want to adjust the bezier to be somewhat like this. Okay, and then we go back to front to make sure that the movement of the animation is just on top of the layer map. Goes back to top here. Okay, and we see the right movement here. Okay, we go to active camera. camera here. Okay. So we want to see the 3D view of the animation that we did. So we click camera 1 here, and then we change to orbit camera 2. Alright, change like this. Then we want to zoom in. Okay. Alright, let's see the animation here. Okay. Alright, maybe I want to adjust the particle settings. We go to emitter light setting, to effects. Okay, we go to particle, size of a life. We want to change to this one. Okay, we have like this streak effect here. Okay, and then the life particle I want to change to 2. Okay, and then I want to change the color of this particle to purple color. Okay, just the position here. Okay, now we want to create the second particle effect, so we just highlight both of this layer, then we go to edit duplicate. Alright, okay, for this one I want to rename it to this name. Same goes to this light setting. I want to rename it to V meter. Okay, go to V meter light setting. Make sure that we change the name to the light naming. We change to V meter. Okay. Now I want to lock this layer. Okay, go to position here. Okay, go to top view. Okay. Now we want the starting point for this second particle to start from here. Okay, and same to the end spot here. Okay, I want to change the color for the second particle to this color. Alright, I want to adjust the curve effect here. Okay, go to front view. Okay, make sure the starting point just on top of the map layer. This white rectangle line here is the map layer, and it ends at the top, just on top of the map layer as well. Okay, let's change to camera one view. Okay, maybe I want to make the variety of the start and end of the particle, so I adjust this one to 1.6 or 1.8. 1.5. Okay, let's see. Okay, I want to create the third particle effect. So same step, go to edit, duplicate, move on top at this point layer here. I want to lock the previous particle that we did, and I want to rename it to centimeter light setting. This one I want to change also the name of the light setting to centimeter. Okay. Okay, now go to the top view and select this centimeter layer and adjust the starting point of the animation. So I want to start from here. Okay, the end point of the animation same to Malaysia. Okay, I want to adjust the Bezier curve here. Okay, go to front view to make sure the animation start at top, just on top of the 3D map layer. Okay, let's see animation. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change the light naming to centimeter here. Okay, I want to change also the color for this third particle to maybe to red, bright red color. Okay. Perhaps green color. Okay, let's see preview output. Okay, want to make the start and end of the particle to variety movement. So I'll go to semi-telite setting, and the life second I have to change to 1.8. So let's see. 1.3. Okay. Okay. Now to make it more dramatic, maybe I want to make the camera move. So I set the position of the camera. I set keyframe at 0 seconds, and I move to 4 seconds here. Okay, maybe I want to zoom it. And then orbit it. This one. Zoom more. Okay. Right. Let's see the effect here. So, all right. Okay. View back. All right. Okay. One more. Perhaps I want to put text Malaysia. Make it 3D and go to top view. Move the position of the text to here. Go to front view. Put it just on top of the 3D layer. Go to camera 1 view. Then zoom out. Perhaps I want to decrease the font size. Okay, go to front back. Okay, the text layer to here. Okay, go to top view. Okay, go to active camera. Alright, let's see the effects. The red line here is because I'm using the trial version of the Trapcode Particular plugin. So excuse me for the red line here. Okay, go back to camera here. Want to make it slightly left. Okay, let's see. Okay, just to double check. Front view. The animation start just on top of the 3D map. Okay, top. Alright. Okay, so let's render it. Alright, and then maybe I want to put at my desktop. So I want to name it 3D in map animation. 3D particle map animation tutorial. Right, render it. Oops, sorry. I want to cancel it. Sorry. Okay, I want to make sure the end render end here at the 4 seconds. Okay, let's render it back. Go to desktop. 3D particles map animation tutorial. Let's view it. Okay, I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe my channel.